me, Charlotte, here with another nature-based educational crafting video for you today. So school is out and we all love the summer, but there's a very special bug that loves the summertime as well. You might have already seen it. It is called a firefly or lightning bug. But are fireflies actually flies? Fact, fireflies are beetles. Today we will be learning about fireflies while we make our firefly and also learn ways to save them from disappearing. You will need the following: 1 paper towel roll or toilet paper roll, some glue, a pair of scissors, a paintbrush, some different colored paints, a piece of black cardstock paper, a recycled piece of something to mix your paints on, and a cup with some water. The first step is we're going to cut our toilet paper roll in half lengthwise. So first we'll cut on the top, and then we'll cut on the bottom. Now lightning bugs, or fireflies, light up in different colors. They can light up from red to green to orange, depending on the beetle. Perfect. Now we only need one of the halves, so I'm going to put this one down. The second step is to paint the first coat of your firefly. So looking at my reference picture, I'm first going to paint a layer of greenish yellow. So let's mix up some green and yellow on the pad. Yellow, just like the flowers around me. And green. Mix it all up. And let's start painting. So how do fireflies light up? That is a very curious question that we actually know the answer to. A firefly mixes different chemicals in one of their organs. Your organs are inside your body, so fireflies inside their body mix up 2 different chemicals. One of the chemicals is oxygen. That is the chemical that we put in our organs too when we breathe, like this. Oxygen. The other 2 chemicals that gets mixed with the oxygen are called luciferase and luciferin. When it's put together, it's bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is when plants, animals, anything that's alive glows in the dark. All done.
Now let's wait for our first layer to dry.
We can put it down and just give it maybe 5 minutes. What should we do in 5 minutes? Let's do some outside exercising. I just got a new jump rope. Let's see how many jumps I can do on my new jump rope. some good exercise. Really fun. All right, let's clean out our paintbrush and our water.
And now we're going to paint the head and the wings of our firefly.
You will need some black and red. There's my black and my red. Why are fireflies bioluminescent? Why do they light up?
They light up because they are trying to find a mate. A mate is another firefly they can make babies with.
The scientists in our world are noticing that there are less and less fireflies flying around at night, and think that they're starting to disappear.
Scientists say that it's due to the most part to three things: pesticides, light pollution, and development. Pesticides are just extra chemicals that humans put in the air or the ground, like something that kills ticks or mosquitoes, or a spray that makes it so weeds don't pop up. Light pollution is when you turn on the light at night. And development is when fields, meadows, or forests are destroyed to build human things like houses. There's our head. Now let's do the wings. It kind of looks like a cat nose right now. Here's my firefly. The last step is to cut out the legs and glue them on. So, this beetle has 6 legs and 2 antennae. So we're going to cut 6 legs nice and long. That's one leg. So we're going to do that 6 more times. So what can we do to make fireflies come back? We do want more fireflies because fireflies are wonderful at eating all those bugs and insects that we don't like. So they're kind of a natural pesticide. They also look beautiful at night. They're like miniature shooting stars floating around everywhere. Well, when it comes to light pollution, that's an easy one. All we have to do is turn off the lights. Why does light pollution affect them? Well, when the firefly is trying to attract their mate by lighting up, if there's already light outside in the dark, then the mates are going to get confused. Is that a firefly? Is that a firefly? It's too bright. Is it even nighttime? So turning off your lights is the first thing you can do to help. The second thing you can do is protecting fields and meadows and forests from being developed. That one can be harder, but your voice does matter. So if you say something, people do listen. Here are my 2 antennas. Another way to protect their habitat is just by letting some of your grass, like patches, grow long. That's where they like to live. And letting an overturned log stay there, because that's where their larva is, their babies. And of course, try to avoid using pesticides and chemicals outside where it would harm them. Okay, these are all ready to be glued. Take your firefly and flip it over to the inside, and that's where we're going to glue our 2 antennas and 3 legs on each side. Now, one last thing you can do is tell your neighbors about it. If you do something that does make a difference, but if you and maybe 2 more people on your street do the same thing, you're going to help those fireflies even more. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the antennas. All done! Until next time, my friends!
I'm grateful our paths have converged for a while. I had fun learning something new with a smile. Bye for now.